drive by. Them not pick me up like drive by. See you when them a
Level. Them talking, they can't intimidate me again. A professional in the game of me know. You mad?
Man steady with the magic.
You mad? Them talking, God.
Steady up.
You mad, youth?
Outside and I'm off slip. We have 17 days with the rubber grip. You don't know one side, never fear nobody. Anywhere we go, see boy with a new circle to
Them can't intimidate me, no.
Fuck of them. Run it out fast, then me turn it up again.
A professional, baby.
You know one side government.
When we kill boy, police no know. Why?
Side you know we no love man, brother.
You know, you see a gunman there, you pull up. Ball head to head. Them talking, they can't intimidate me, youth. Professional blood clot, me. When we kill people, police don't know about it. Hey, Jam, no one but that song, Leno.
Mobile, no fear them, no dear. Feel so you back, come touch me, then come rush me, then what's it like, you can know, any check where you're your friend.
Don't get me mad tonight. Don't get me blood clot. Turn on up.
Them know me head mad, so me can mad, so me can mad. Them know me head mad, so me can mad, so me can mad.
Don't get me mad tonight. Tell them.
Tell some boys if they know themselves. At school what them can't show themselves. If some kick off them for some.
Yo, music, you never walk here.
Hear them attack, but man know them not really bad. Them be serving the church and the synagogue. Me no make loose walk when you see me chat. Me no run boat like me and gas me and talk. What have you shut them out? No why we and them fast.
Why?
I go. This west not and south. Me not this.
Tell them. You know me, Bumbo Cloud.
Me granny and back. When me granny back, everything's on. Right like when I last him get a lecture.
Hold on.
We no people, we no play shit.
You know why me left the war thing for them? Cause me's a real gangster. Me wouldn't sleep till me kill them blood clot. I saw me move. You want me tell you why? Me have some friend. When they hear people diss me, them they don't want to take it so me can't control them. Hey, Gian, they want me to listen to this. They want me to listen.
The money, the fear, no mean nothing to me. If you want free, when I'm a brother, then you want for free.
I don't know see a friend them not feel you.
After all, that is not how we up on a clock. Right, upon a
what?
Get up, upon his foot, boys, pull up like saying, me a couple down, you know that ain't for me. Let us alone, let us loyalty before you fuck with the family, just remember me.
Why?
I've been protecting down them men by the for we. The money, the fear, no mean nothing to me. If you are free when I'm a brother, then you want for free.
Why dear? Hold on. What? After all. That is the song.
We up on a call. 4 rifle in upon a wall.
What we do? Level.
Pull up on his foot.
Ladies, if you know say no girl no better than you, make a dirty girl hear you know. Cause some of them feel say them bad baby. Every girl we can defend themselves. You see that song, yeah?
The man try but I know them can't reach. I can see a girl but I can reach. Them a pussy on the street, come over they go beat on the beat. Man try for the ear, on the gas seat. One more full of
ladies!
Police like 5 years and don't see. What that could the last one week.
How we go?
And then fuck with the family.
Every girl we want, make them do.
Beat and teach.
Beat and teach.
Beat and teach. Beat and teach. Beat and teach.
Level. Imagine some of the girls that we had this year, you never see them yet. You never know nothing about them till you hear them a try violate. Some of them are this you to other girl. When the girl them they have time for that now, make them do something.
Too nice people are my problem. That's why I know about them. I depend on baby on my bank account.
When the independent girl them they walk.
Too late to worry about fitness. I mean I care about time, don't rate me. Don't be insecure about your man, my ear.
Every girl
can date me. Them no know, them no know. Tell me real top girl, real top girl, real top girl. Can beat that girl. Them no know. Tell me a real top girl.
ladies, every girl we come party start move up and down.
You can't tell me what to do.
we go. How we dress, me no papi show. Me a the stars, so me a no fan.
Every girl wake up party walk.
Me nah itch up and none of man arm like Roland. Boss position, so no boy can't try program me. Rebel from day one. Real bad girl, so no boy can't try program me. Me no need donation. Autonomous, can't try come program me. Daddy never go a war for me, sit down in a 20.
Play.
Then you give him a cut your business. Too insecure that don't watch your boom boom, what you call that? Do your own thing, stop fuck with. Oh, if him love, beg your money too. Can't pay rent and a bad
Level. Can't program you. When me used to be a girl, it's a plenty boy girl me take away. I know me cool out, know me old. Some of them lucky to blood clot. You see back in them days there, hear what me used to tell them girl. Hear what me used to tell them girl. You see that? Pull it up, boys. Them time, hey, hold on. Them time some of them are sex and girl good. That you make sex and girl better than them. Go on. Turn here. I miss a lie. You're not bad with that. Yeah. I miss a lie. Tell the girl them. Hey, come on now. Boy.
Somebody can I say the boy need him? But can I say your pussy too good feel? Better you fuck somebody else. Call me she want a big gang body. She want a big gang body. Call me she want a big bang belly.
Level. I over 15 years now. Close to 20 or more. Me in that game here. So big up Rapture Sound and big up Menace, my brother. You know, touch turn and loud. Young Jugglaz there. Me is a youth, man, I forgot where I'm from. And that's why some of them don't like me, women of business. Because people when they like me, they motivate me. You understand? They don't interrupt nothing at all. Make me know. Hey, John, ready again? All who know say don't make people intimidate you know. We go. Bounce to her. Hey, George! That's my relative. What we tell them? Listen.
Them no want see we no go check. No one will live their life like we no move it. She tell you she married me, so that's a for me. I see that she come get this thing at the pussy alright. So me can't do it, you never prove it. Me never fight a war in a life while I lose it.
Hey, John, all who don't worry about people, make them hear. What is up, boys?
Some boys smell like cigarettes. No Sprite all the time I can say. Say that them a trap and them no got no asset.
Ladies, if you don't worry about them now.
As long as me got life, I'm okay. I'm alright. Oh, I know I am fine. Big up news and I come from low. Man can tell you how I had life. I'm okay.
I want to them. You ready, youth?
Some man do this if you switch down. So they need to tear down. So they give me the 17 down. Put back on the trigger.
When I do.
Talk them. I make the flaws, I say fuck them.
I will never sell out.
Go deep, put that go deep. Full of killer, I'm in the holy. Put that over 1 or 2 or 3.
Hey, John.
Come on, deep. Go deep, put that go deep. R.I.P. to
Level.
the OGs.
All who know see the friend them you have are mad people. All who know see have some mad cousin when I take talk from people. When me go road, me not afraid nobody, you know why?
Oh, that's the lega. I'm Mr. Dinatuna. You sit on me dance, me don't in a land. Listen, fuck up really clean. You're too ignorant. Young Jugglaz, come them this one, they know them this half. Fucking clip.
You know why?
Then we stand out here.
You're up and big up yourself,
I'm
you.
the baddest team, Young Jugglaz.
Big up the whole team.
Zambari, Piper, Yeja, Jessica. You know Bombo class.
Yo, touch.
We never chat to you, you know. I'm ready to play anytime of night, anytime of day.
All you know say can go anywhere and no boy violate.
Acha! Ever teacher.
Some of them so young officers.
Young Jugglaz.
Tell them.
How the flag up? I'm Mr. Dinaduna. If it when they dance, product in a land. Jugglaz. Listen for cabernically. The two ignorant. Young Jugglaz. From them this one. They know you this half. Fucking clip that. No kill no response. Could we got pick one. They write to 6 hours. I could chop them up. So more mix spot. Instant death. Young Jugglaz fan. Young Jugglaz death. No carry good spot. Bring up global front.
You think of that? When me come a road, me no walk in empty clip youth. So if they feel say they can roll up tonight, play next one.
You may say that boss represent Young Jugglaz.
Play next one, give them
you. You may say yo Rambo. You may say yo Taliban. You may say yo Zabari.
Play.
You may say yo Pipey.
Attach me there. Tomorrow big war. Bumbo clock.
First street. You may say White Plains Road. You may say yo 20.
Young Jugglaz sound, you think a joke?
Young Jugglaz.
All who not just people put 200 years up. All who not just people lighter. Phone light. Turn on in there. Turn on. Bomba
Protect you from all of them. What you think to be low now? So the need nobody out again.
How we go?
All people out there.
My boss, turn on the tune, youth. My boss, turn on that. My boss there. The boss can't tell me that tonight. Play tune. Play tune. I want you to don't rap with me no more. You don't rap with me.
Protect the blood. Protect the blood. Protect the blood.
Turn on Jugglaz, boy. How want me tell you?
Protect you from all of them. What you think to be low now? So the need nobody out again. All people out there.
Big up rap for the boss. Anyway, there.
Father, please, if you ever fall, pull up and God will go out again. No need to do nothing at all. Jugglaz a play. Father, please.
Pull up. Big up Young Jugglaz, big up the whole I sound them Antigua. You don't know, Code Red sound attack. No, you don't know tomorrow night a war problem and be a thing, right? But you see that song here? Me G, forward. Plug in back the laptop now. How you play about that song right now in Antigua? Cause you see when we left Jamaica, now we're in the world, we travel the whole world and now we're like Antigua. You see them vibes there, you know this is far with it? And we have clash tomorrow, we're gonna lock up in my hotel all day, I agree, right? You see next two sound them in here? Don't know when them busy I do, you know. But you see which part with it? Country in a swamp all a real rascal vibes. Like me there, yeah. So you see that song here? I'm glad all this so dark we can't even see nobody's face. Come on time when you're looking at some people's face at them time they get tricked. So here what we are gonna do. You see when that song you play back? Me gonna tell you straight truth. Code Red there and the young shooter them there. If you have a phone and you can't take out your phone, if you have a lighter, you can't light your lighter, you're a pussy friend. Everybody when they're beside a friend right now when you say if a fight start, you're not run left your friend. Or if a big stone if you think, if the pussy can't test your friend, every lighter, every man with the touch, if the bottom man here that light the touch, every phone lighter, let it go. Let it go. Laugh at you. All I want is the friend on the beside of you. Show me your friend on the nice sky. No. Show me your friend on the nice sky. No. Everybody put up your friend on the nice sky. Put up your friend on the tail left. People, you don't know. Code Red sound today. We have to go bless up the thing. You don't know. Tomorrow night, 2 sound of dead, you know. Me have to get a trophy in Antigua. I'm not leaving without it. You understand? So big up the whole place in the G. Big up. Big up.